the difference between the future and the option, which I didn't do with all of what I did, right? I just did long position, short position, call option, put option was the 4 columns we did. Here they have graphed the futures contract, where we're hedging our risk due to the futures contract. So we've got the price of the futures contract at expiration, so what is it actually going to end up being, which is kind of similar to what we're doing with the option to buy. But we're holding this option, and then the stock market goes up, and then I have the right to buy it at some time in the future. With a futures contract, you have obligated yourself to buy. And how does the futures contracts winners and losers get tabulated? What was that special account that the broker had? The margin account. So with that instrument, we were taking away from the loser and giving it to the winner, so that at the end of the day, everybody was made whole with the agreement that they did at the beginning. So at this example that they're doing here, that we had it at 115, you can pay a premium for the option, which exposes your downward risk. With the futures contract, you could be down here and still lose more money. With the option, we're going to lose at most the 2,000, the option price. The vertical distance here is what? The premium, right? So this 2,000 is the difference. So if the stock moves in this direction, then the futures price is always going to beat the option price by the amount of the premium, right? So it's like an insurance policy that way. We paid the 2,000 to get rid of the downward risk. And then the same is true over here with the put option. We've got risk across the spectrum if we're dealing in a futures contract, but with the put, the most we're going to lose is the 2,000, which is the premium. And so we get this going on. Okay. And this is where we start to get in the money, by the way, too. If we start to, once we get above this, once the price starts to fluctuate to where we're after the premium's taken into consideration, we're going to get back in the money at this point, actually, where the option price crosses the horizontal axis. Now we're in the money if we're holding the option. Whereas with the futures contract, we were in the money right away. Okay, questions on that one? All right, let's talk some Allison.